like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a finish. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy, cdrizyy.
James, dang.
You dig? Today we're finna do a little monkey video for y'all. Which is better, light skins or
Dark skins?
Obviously,
I mean,
light skins. You feel me?
I don't count myself as dark skin. I count myself as brown skin. Dead. But hey,
What y'all think he is? Drop it down in the comments. You feel me? That man is a dark skin.
I'm a brown skin.
You feel me?
You want to see dark skin?
Oh, we ain't gonna talk about that now.
Somebody that's like this. You did what I'm saying?
We ain't gonna talk about that now. That's a little something else. But you feel me? We've been slacking a little bit on these videos. Whatever y'all want for us to, do, drop down in them comments. DM us on Instagram, all that, Snapchat, you feel me? But yeah, you feel me? We gonna start this screen recording. Got on this little monkey app. If y'all don't know what it is, go on the app store, you feel me? Go check it out.
Oh.
Foot.
Yo.
Yo.
We got a question.
What?
That time. Alright. You know what I'm saying?
What's better, in y'all opinion, light skins or dark skins?
Dark skins. Light skins.
Alright, what's y'all reasons?
I don't know. I just like light skins. I don't have a reason for it.
Okay.
Why y'all asking? Aren't y'all both light skins? Y'all cute though. Yeah, y'all cute.
Thank you. But nah, he not light skinned. He's not light skinned. Heck he not.
I'm not light skin, but I'm not dark skin. You did what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're like brown. Like, I don't know. You're like.
See, she understand, bro. You don't.
I don't care. You dark skinned fool.
Alright, no. But yeah, that was the question of the day. Oh.
I was finna click that anyways. I was waiting for them to do that.
Me too. Yo.
Are y'all doing a YouTube video?
You prefer light skin or dark skin? Nah.
Oh, okay.
Light skin or dark skin?
Light skin.
You prefer?
Light skin, you feel me? On the gang. Bust it.
Are you doing a YouTube video? We gotta say nah.
Yo.
Y'all twins.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Nah.
We don't want to look alike. Light skin or dark skin, though? What you prefer?
Just answer the question. I don't care.
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
Oh, you ratchet?
Oh my god.
You ratchet. You ratchet.
Hey. Find another boy like the boy.
Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
Hello.
Light skins or dark skins?
Add time.
What you say? Yo.
Ask him.
Light skin or dark skin?
What do y'all prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Dark skins. Light skins.
Why?
Fucking suck, Ayada. Light skins always be playing with your heart. They always be fucking playing with your heart. No.
They want to hurt a nigga heart before they even give you your heart.
That's
No.
definitely not
that's
true, though.
tough. No, she said they be playing with her heart.
Exactly.
But I mean, all light skins aren't the same, though.
Boy, if you don't...
Alright, some. You're right. Some of them. Some of them
Aight.
play with your heart. But I can go for both.
Both? But which one, like, would you prefer, though?
She said dark skins.
If a light skin,
prefer- yeah,
if a light skin
I
and a
prefer
dark
that.
skin was right here.
She said dark skins.
Oh. Alright.
Ayana. What? Light skins or dark skins? Which one do you prefer?
Oh my god.
Which one? No, she like the Hispanic dude. She don't even.
Wow.
She's a Spanish fiend.
Alright. Screaming out. Okay.
She dumb, bro. She
Say
didn't
your
answer that
thing.
question.
That big gotta get it. No cap. Slime. Ruler. Skip.
I can't see, bro. God dang.
You can't see. Trying to split it. Wave.
Hello.
Yo.
Oh, do-rag.
Light skin or
Do
dark
right.
skin? Light skin or dark skin?
That's the exact same question, but I went with my black friend.
What was your question?
Gee, you gotta be like, what do you prefer? You can't just be like light skin or dark skin.
Nah,
You know, some people slow out here. You feel me? They're a little slow in the head.
Slime.
Slime. Okay. Add time.
Add time, folks.
Wave chat. Yeah.
Leave that in 2017, money.
Alright, ask them the question.
Wave chat.
Hold on, I got a question, folks.
What's up, folks?
You prefer light skin or dark
That's
skin?
the fucking question.
What's your question, yeah?
You prefer light skin or dark skin?
Oh, see,
Dark skin.
light. I don't know.
I prefer. You cool, the one with the do-rag, but you little light skin. You too light skin. Light
Long
skin
as
getting
he
their
got
feelings too much.
I don't need
Light skin niggas getting their feelings too fucking much.
What?
Y'all like a bitch. I like all kinds of dicks. We can't have two
Long as you packing in them pants, I don't give a fuck what
But if you
color.
packing, I'll give you a chance.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Get out of here, you
I had
feel
to get
me?
him out of here,
You
bro.
tweaking.
Talking. Man, what they
She
talking
said as long
about,
as you
man?
packing. Yo.
Add time.
Trying to split it way.
Add time.
Split it the way. You feel me?
All right, I got a question. Shh. All right.
What do y'all prefer, light skins or dark skins? Both.
Bro, you really just out here. I hope hey, what you doing, baby? You look real thirsty. Right. What?
You dig. Androids. I could barely hit them. For real. That's tough. I'm gonna put my government name out there, you feel me? I'm cdrizyy. Simple as that. You dig. Split it nigga way. You feel me? Yo.
Can I?
Answer the question. Still turn
Can
full.
I?
Add time.
Add time.
What you prefer, light skin or dark skin? You heard?
It don't matter. Listen. Shit. But right now, the dark skin one is cute. Light skin.
Spit some game, fool.
Light
you.
skin.
For real.
That's because you darker and then I'm lighter. So it's like.
You right. I'm not even that dark, though.
He dark.
I'm caramel.
Nah, he dark.
Well, whatever you are, brown skin, caramel, you cute. Light skin's cute.
For sure.
All right, for sure.
You dig.
Respect. Yeah, we had to get him out of here.
Hey,
Get him
man.
out of here.
Whoever
Get him
texted
outta
me,
here.
they ruining the video, you feel me? They think keep popping up. You dig?
Oh, snap.
Know what I'm saying? We gonna have to blur that out so they can't see the text messages.
All right, cool.
You know what I'm saying? Because I don't need to see all that information out there. They don't need to know what's going on, you feel me? They need to go what's going on. Trying to split it. Wave. Okay, this thing taking forever.
They be saying
It said connecting and then... What?
Yeah, she got an iPhone 4.
That's technically... Yeah,
Yo. Hello?
Hello?
That's so childish, bro.
They some tweaks. For real. We just trying to ask her a question. Simple. But nah. You hear that? Somebody running. I'm running them.
That's your mom.
I know. It's his mama. Connecting. Watch this gonna skip. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you? Skip. Dang, bro, you must be ugly or something.
I don't got no profile picture.
Yo. Oh, it's
Yo.
Trinity. What's up?
Add time. Light skin or dark skin, what you prefer?
Okay, hold on. I got your mic camera. Hold on. How tall are both of y'all?
5'11".
I'm 5'7".
Oh, I'm taller than you, bro. It's
You
okay.
taller than me?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
5'8".
What I say?
You
I
barely
knew it.
taller than
Boy, if you don't.
I'm taller than you. I'm taller than you in reality. I don't care.
This feels white.
So you gonna answer the
You're
question?
both pretty fine.
Oh, so what do you
Thank
prefer though?
Like, not even just us, like, in general.
I don't know. I like both. Like, that's the thing. Probably the one on the right. Okay, the dogs are in the crate.
Which
That's
one?
confusing.
The one on the right.
Hold up.
Oh wait,
Let's
she's
see.
facing this way.
Oh, that's me. You dig?
Forget you.
You dig? you won't point your first finger though. Show 'em.
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
Light skin.
Light skins
You
rule.
said what?
Light skin.
Both of y'all say light skin?
Yes.
Yeah, they mess with light skins. You feel
Y'all
me?
suck.
Tryna rub it. Wave. You dig? Lil' boat.
Dark skin is
You
like.
feel me?
Dark skin is like. That's dark skin.
I hate on us. Hello.
It's a little kid party. You cannot get in.
No, I'm not your friend. If we only 10.
Yo, that look went crazy when we just said that. You feel me? Alright, bro. Y'all just need to, like, connect. That's it.
Well, I be getting tired of waiting, bro.
For real, though. I'm gonna jump through the camera and slap him.
Yo, what you prefer? Light skin or dark skin? You heard?
Hey.
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
What?
Never mind.
Oh, what I tell you? Some people just be brain
I hope
dead.
so.
I hope so.
Yo,
Smoke on that fire.
light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
Let me try the boot.
Hello?
Say the ball. I got
It's a real kid party. You cannot get in.
No, I'm not your friend.
Yo.
Unless you are 10.
Oh.
Hey, I want to play a game called Add Time. All you do is just hit the Add Time button over and over and over.
Boy, if you don't.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Look, I'm a big.
Come on, bro, hurry up.
Add time. Wait. I got a
Yeah.
Alright,
question.
for sure. We got a question.
Keep going, come on, bro.
Question.
My,
Question.
my sister likes you. Hurry
What?
up. You gotta keep at time. You better hurry up. You got 52 seconds. 1, 7, 6, 8, 10.
Thomas, please.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
No,
It's a real kid party. You cannot
sorry,
get
I had to
in
pass.
if your age is 10. Come on, that's what we gotta say anytime. It's like a childish little, like, nah. Like, come on now. Add time. What you know?
Yo.
Add time.
Yo,
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
what do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I'm not really into skin.
What?
Okay, but like, just pick.
Just pick
Yeah.
dark skin though.
Let's go, W. Let's go.
You're cool.
Let's go.
This man's like geeked up right now.
Let's go.
He's geeked.
Let's go. Hey.
You're a
He's
tweet.
not even dark skinned though.
I know, that's what I said, man. But you know what I'm saying?
You brown.
That's what I said. See, this dude said I'm dark skinned.
No, he's not dark skinned.
Dark skin is like
Like
They
dark.
so ugly.
dark skin. You know a dark skin.
Right. You can tell the difference between a dark skin and a brown skin.
Yeah, you. That's a big difference.
You know what I'm saying? Dark skins look like this.
Yeah, they be dark, boy.
No disrespect to y'all dark skins out there, you feel me? Light skins and brown skins.
But yeah, have a good day. You alright?
Alright, yeah, I'm good. See y'all later.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, shorty.
Okay, shit. That's dark skin. That's the question, Jaden.
You prefer light skins or dark skins?
It doesn't matter.
Pick.
Like, if you had to pick one, though.
Dark skin.
I mean,
I'm not even dark skinned though, so I don't care.
that's the question.
Yo,
I can do red.
thank you. I got a question.
What?
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
Light skin.
Get him out of here.
Duh.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Let me drive the boot.
Let me drive.
Let me drive the boat.
Nah, you gotta say it fast, though.
Let me drive the boat.
You gotta have the X.
Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boot.
Oh, nah.
You ready to sing the song?
It's
a real kid party, you cannot get in if your age is 10. Nah, dog. Let me drive the boot.
Yo, I got a question. Wow.
What y'all doing?
Light skin or dark skin? What you prefer?
Dark.
She had an Android.
Gang.
Her stuff was laggy.
No, I think she had an iPhone, just like an iPhone like 6 or something.
Probably.
Cause
I mean,
you
the
can
quality
tell
was
from
clear.
an Android.
The quality was clear, but like,
Yeah,
her stuff
Androids be
was-
like glitching. What y'all prefer, light skin or dark skin?
Both.
You gotta pick one. I'm sorry.
If you had to choose,
Dark skin. Light skin.
Alright, cool. We both got.
we both got a dub on them. You feel me?
By the way, JCJ Gang, I'm not dark skin, man. I'm brown skin.
Make.
I'm a light brown skin. Matter of fact, no cap. Bro, look at me, bro. Look at my hand.
You alright?
Add time. Add time.
Tweaking.
Wait.
Tweaking.
How they gonna get excited from
They
seeing us and not add
flogging.
time?
They flog.
Shut your bitch ass.
Like, come on now. Add time.
What's her name? I can't even see.
I can't see either. Lil TJ. Yeah.
How many we gonna do? Like 2 more?
I mean, I hope so. Let me try the boat.
Mad, bro.
Yo. They don't know how to do nothing. They don't know how to speak. They don't know how to show their face. They stupid. Like, you're screwed. They screwed. Right, Jaden?
Who's fat, first of all?
Oh, no. He was like, let me try the boat.
Weird.
I hope so.
Yo,
Hello.
add time for me. Add time.
She
Add
said,
time?
She said, nah.
Wow.
She said, nah.
You don't even know
You
that.
ain't, you ain't getting no time from. No, you gotta be like on smooth jail. You ain't even all that, baby girl. I give girls way better than you.
I'ma keep it G with you. You ain't need all that to me, baby girl.
Oh, you
About
gonna
to do a
magic
card
tricks?
trick?
Hold up.
That's fake.
I ain't
bro.
tripping.
I know how that works.
I know I ain't
I
tweaking.
know how it works.
How?
He don't know how it works.
Yes,
He-
it's 2
he
cards put
flogging.
together. He lying. It's 2 cards put together, bro. A boy named Jamari that go to my school, if you watch this video.
Yo. Add time.
Add time now.
Now, whoa.
Light
Alright.
skins or light skins?
Which y'all prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Either one.
You gotta pick though, like one.
You want light skin or dark skin? I like light skin. Light skin.
I think I heard a dub.
All y'all pick light skin?
No, I didn't. I did.
Alright. You smart. You smart.
Video.
You smart.
You not smart. You dumb.
You smart. Light skin. You feel me? This gonna be the last one for y'all. Never mind.
Never mind.
Okay. Oh snap! He gonna keep going crazy.
No, that's like fake, bro. That's like one that. has the music.
I was just trying to get dude prompts because he thought he was. He thought because I saw him stop and it was still going. Yo.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Thumbnail. Let's go. Thumbnail.
Wow.
Let's go.
They look sick though.
Thumbnail. That's dirty.
That's nasty.
Hey, thumbnail.
I'm about to throw up.
Thumbnail. I was waiting to get a thumbnail. We needed that.
I hope so.
I hope so. I hope so.
Bro, we just need
Alright,
one
we just need
person.
one more. Like y'all fly. I mean, we got our thumbnail and all that. You feel me? Now we just gotta get somebody else to go. Does that say he? Oh, that say he. Nah, dog. We don't mess with that. That's that foo-foo. Yo.
At time now.
Add time.
My sister's ex threw it up there.
At time? Alright. I got a question.
What do y'all prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I don't really care because it's all about personality.
But like, you gotta pick one. I'm sorry.
Okay. Probably dark skins because I don't get enough love.
What about you?
Okay.
Mm,
Let me try the boat.
I have no idea.
Pick. Come on.
oh my gosh. I feel stupid.
Yeah, right.
What about you in the back? Wow. Alright, man. That's the end of the video.
You feel me? Click out. Oh no, we can just do that.
Gotcha, bitch.
This one. Alright, so we got a question for you real quick.
Yeah.
Add time. Alright. So in your opinion, what do you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Dark skins.
Gang.
Alright.
Gang. Gang. Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
We gonna
Get him
ask
out
her
of
why.
here.
We gonna ask
Get him
her
out
why.
of
We gonna ask
Get him
her
out
why.
of here. Get him out of
Sit
here.
down, fool. Stupid. Alright. We gotta know why. Alright.
Wow.
Shoot. We ain't need you anyways.
Yeah, we ain't need you, bud.
That's the end of the video. You feel me? You dig.
Dark skins win. Even though I'm not dark skin, we still took the dub.
Oh, hell no. I don't even care. I don't even care, baby girl. I get girls way better than you anyways. Alright, if y'all want more videos like this, let us know down in the comments. You dig?
Down
You
below.
already know. Down below.
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 Get this on. How many likes we gonna get? 20? 25? 25?
25
25 likes. 25 likes.
We'll
You
come
feel
with
me?
part 2, you heard?
We're gonna get a part 2 up in here, you dig?
Oh, wait. Part 3.
Part 3, yeah, because me and Joel did one of these, you know what I'm saying? JoJo CY, you feel me? He not here right now. He gone. He dead. R.I.P.
But yeah, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, share.
Your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your sister, everybody, your brother.
JCJ GANG out, man.
We out.